How to clean the burn pot on your Ninja Woodfire. If you're getting uneven heating, weird smells, or even a shutdown error, a dirty burn pot might be the cause. Here's how to clean it safely and keep your grill running smooth. Step 1. Unplug the grill and let it cool completely. The burn pot area gets extremely hot during use. Never attempt to clean it while it's warm. Wait until it's fully cool. Step 2. Remove the grill grate and smoke box. Set them aside so you can access the inner burn pot. If there's ash or debris in the way, brush it aside gently. Step 3. Brush out the burn pot with a soft grill brush. Use a non-metal, non-scratch brush to remove ash, char, or grease from the burn pot walls and bottom. Be gentle. Avoid scraping the heating element. Step 4. Wipe around the edges with a microfiber cloth. Any leftover buildup around the pot rim or lower walls can also affect airflow. Use a cloth to wipe out fine debris that brushing might miss. Step 5. Reassemble everything when dry and clean. Make sure the burn pot and surrounding area are clear before reinstalling the smoke box and grill grate. A clean burn pot keeps heat consistent and reduces shutdowns or flare-ups. If this helped your wood fire cook better, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more simple fixes that actually work. And if you want to clean without damaging the pot or heating element, we've linked a soft grill brush in the description that's safe and effective. Thanks for watching, and grill clean.